This is Roddy's Rides.
This is Igor.
And this is the editor's dad's ball shaver. The Lawnmower 2.0.
Nothing.
Should I get 2 rat tails?
Welcome back to Roddy's Rides. It is New Year's, and for New Year's, what do? New year, new me. So Roddy and Igor, they're getting their heads shaved by my dad's ball razor, the Lawnmower 2.0, not sponsored. What they don't know is we have a 1mm attachment and a 3mm attachment. They're gonna randomly choose it behind my back. They don't know what they're getting. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna be shaving my friends' heads with my dad's ball razor. Here we go.
You get to go.
Who wants to go first?
I'll give the right hand. He's smart. Lovely.
And you get the left hand.
Not lovely.
In the previous clip, I pulled a bad hand, and this was the shortest edge for the razor, but it's for the wrong razor. So I'm doing it all the way, baby. Let's get cranking.
Oh my god! Yeah, that works.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to feel it. I don't want to feel it.
That's how strong you are.
I don't want to feel it.
That's a 3.
That's a no.
Yeah, Wes, it's nothing, bro. I kind of missed the spot in it.
Oh God, that is beautiful. Alright.
Oh God.
Sorry, buddy.
You're good, Wes.
Hit the thing, Wes.
Oh my gosh.
Don't push too hard, bro. I'm not.
He's going higher than his. Yeah, if you haven't already, go down and subscribe.
This is so much fun.
What's the idea?
We'll do both sets. Games are funny as fuck.
I have to wake up tomorrow.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
Here we go.
I feel like Beavis and Butthead. Oh God.
No.
I'm gonna be able to play Connect 4 on my head.
Bitch, what?
Do I get free drinks with mine?
When I turn 21, you can have whatever the fuck you want.
Look at this.
Shaved eyebrows? What's the best mirror to walk into in your house?
I got you, bro.
Okay, just lead me in there
I
like
had
a
the
lost
whole.
dog.
Wow.
I don't want to give him money too.
Should I get 2 rat tails before you shave it all off? Hey, don't let this man run away now.
Oh yeah, you look very nice, Beef.
I wanna fucking die.
Beautiful.
You pressed the hardest.
Sorry.
You on how it feels after.
Alright,
let's
let's
go. Gas. Dude, the worst is when you just take a big chunk like that. Oh my God.
So funny. He's gonna get built now.
Yeah. The Lawnmower is holding up to its name. Pick one up. Not sponsored.
Give him the ponytail.
Man, look at this.
Dude, you look so all up. You look so all up. Actually, I was about to ask. Do you know where Armando went?
My hair was brown?
So I am Confucian.
He's stripper bag.
I like your cut, G.
After a couple pounds lost, I thought I was a little bit closer to getting to 140, but I might have lost 3 pounds. But I think it's time for Igor.
And pause. So the reason that Igor's hair looks different now than in the beginning of the video was because before we finished Roddy's head, we decided to flip-flop back and forth between the two because, well, why not? And we found out that the 3mm attachment we were using on Igor's head wasn't really gonna cut it. So he decided to go buzz cut all the way off. And here's proof of that.
I do consent. We got one, baby. Buzz cut. Let's go.
So we already shaved Igor's head a little bit, and we're just gonna start with the full buzz cut. So let the chaos ensue.
Shave it, shit. Oh no. Ready? Sure.
What have I done?
Is it pretty low, dude?
It's very low.
Oh no. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look that. I mean, no, it doesn't look horrible. That's good.
It looks horrible.
Thank you, Allie.
Oh my god. It got worse when you put it behind you.
Bro, this is too funny.
Weston's having a blast right now. She's getting deep in there.
It's actually not a bad haircut.
Weston, don't do it like all the way. Oh no. What is that?
Turn around.
Just don't go too deep. Like, don't make your bald, please.
You fool!
This feels so weird, dude.
And we're gonna have to wake up and we're gonna be mildly depressed tomorrow morning.
Yeah, I'll be so hangover and depressed probably tomorrow morning. He's getting deep. I feel like pounds just going down. Oh my god.
Alright, I say he does the spin now. Look at that. Oh my god.
Weston, you look like a villain. Weston,
Like a super villain. Weston, what's he do?
oh no. Oh no.
He has to go to work tomorrow.
It feels pretty cool though, I'll tell you what.
Aerodynamic, bro.
Yo.
West End, you need to front. You need
Is it?
It's pretty dang good.
Just kidding. Shit.
Yeah.
Y'all look gnarly.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh!
Oh god. Oh my god.
Dude.
Are you living in BMX or now, don't you? Weird as fuck now, dude.
Oh, time to get drunk, Igor. It'll look better when you're drunk.
Oh no. Why does it look like I still got more hair than
And I'm
Igor?
drunk too, dude. Oh no.
Well, I hope you guys had a happy New Year's. If you guys enjoyed this video, go down, hit the subscribe button. Make sure it turns white or will grow. I don't remember. But drop a like, leave down a comment. Hope you guys had a great New Year's. Roddy's Rides out of here.